From the ground to the sky and across the globe, greatness begins with a vision. A vision that dares to dream bigger, brighter, bolder. A symbol of innovation, of unity, of the power of human potential. Like the Olympic spirit, TCL believes in pushing boundaries, not just in sport, but in every screen, every sound, every experience. From QD-Mini LED TVs to smart appliances and mobile technology, we bring world-class performance into everyday life. We support those who chase excellence, who train tirelessly, who dream without limits. Because just like Olympians, we strive for more, for precision, for passion, for progress. Together with the Olympics, TCL is proud to inspire greatness across continents, cultures, and generations. Wherever you are, whatever your dream, greatness starts here.